given the request for the center to release the additional funds to the form of special package over the above, clearing the pending dues to the states to fight the pandemic. So what does the ministry has to say on this? Secondly, the FC, that is Finance Commission, to meet Economic Advisory Council with a view to revisit some recommendations made by it. What happens to the meeting may kindly be informed. The next point is about the GST dues to the states. Well, I will focus on the Telangana only. Like other states, Telangana also agreed for the GST when the GOA issued. In this August House, with the legislative backing for the compensation would be paid to the states for 5 years. But now the FM is taking the shelter under the Act of God is not acceptable. Swargaya Mr. Jetli, while replying to the debate on the GST compensation bill in Parliament, had said that, I quote, states has to pull in their national interest to the GST Council. The center also pulled into the GST Council, so that GST Council is the Indian's first federal institution where the national interest for the center and state have to be pulled together in the federal institution. In this, incumbent on all of us make sure that the federal institutions work. Therefore, in order to make this federal institution work, the delayed balance between the central and state have unanimously agreed upon to be maintained. He further states, it is federal contract, unquote. So, federal contract has to be honored. States always dribbling whenever this new taxes implemented. After the introduction of the GST, Telangana is losing revenue, and also GOI is saying that it would be compensated GST revenue loss, which is the argument which strictly followed. Now, as on date, our state, Telangana, the total dues of 9,000 crores of GST and IGST. The GST is 5,500 crores and the balance is this IGST. And the states are forefront in fighting the COVID and reviving these stalled economy activities. For all these measures, adequate funds are needed. The state is to be dire need of the funds and has requested center for this dues share to the GST compensation. This issue related to the GST has also been raised by our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri KCR Garu, and given the detailed letter to the Honorable Prime Minister recently. Section 8 of the GST Act 2017 stipulates that center shall levy the GST and integrated GST for the 5 years in respect of the specified goods and services for the purpose of providing the compensation to the states. There is no provision in the law that states should borrow in case of the shortfall of GST compensation payout by the center. It is legally the responsibility of the center as the administrator of the public account of India, for which GST compensation fund. Only 2 minutes, sir. To calculate the compensation, the projected revenue to be calculated by applying the 14% annual growth over the 2015 and 16 base of revenue from the taxes subsumed by the under GST. The center promised that cess will be come down after the introduction of GST, but reality was that the total different. The most important, these cesses are not shareable with the states. For example, 13 rupees per litre cess on the petrol yielded by the 2 lakh crore to the center. On the other hand, states are losing the chance of taxes. At the center, violating the provision of the GST Compensation Act by parking and surplus cess into the consolidated fund instead of parking them into the lapsable compensation fund.
Honorable member,
Sir,
please
sir,
conclude.
one minute, sir, 1 minute,
Please
1
conclude.
minute, 1 minute. I will conclude, sir.
Yes.
The argument that borrowing by the states will be helpful for the reduce of the burden of the national economy is not correct. The borrowing by the center as well as the states are from the same financial system, and the same pool is the investor, and their impact of the microeconomic situation is not very different. Borrowing by the states will also push up the yield of the government securities. By the borrowing and paying shortfall of the compensation by the center is not going to lose anything. The act provides for the levy of the chess behind the 5 years. The center can revamp and its borrowing, and chess will be laid for the 5 years. Sir,